Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a zikr that is more important in order to solve our problem. The problem that is the most burning problem for us. So we have tried our best from every way, from everywhere in the world, but failed. Now you have to come to Allah's special blessings, and after Salatul Asr, you have to sit. When you pray Salatul Asr, stay there, don't leave the place, and start with Darood Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin, and start reading 3 names of Allah. Those names are in Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So these names are Yaallahu, Yarahmanu, Yarahimu. So Yaallahu, Yarahmanu, Yarahimu. Start reading these 3 names and until the Salatul Maghrib. So when Salatul Maghrib Azan is near to come, then you have to read Durood again, and then inshallah Allah will help you. Allah will complete and fulfill your requirement, what you have aim and objective in your mind. Inshallah, keep aim and objective in your mind and start reading Allah's these 3 names from Salatul Asr to Salatul Maghrib. Start and end with Durood to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So read these names: Ya Allahu, Ya Rahmanu, Ya Rahimu. Ya Allahu, Ya Rahmanu, Ya Rahimu. Ya Allahu, Ya Rahmanu, Ya Rahimu. So your aim and objective must be under Sharia, and you have to complete this one until your aim is achieved. So when you will achieve your aim, then you have to pray 2 rakat Salatul Shukrana, Salatul Shukr. So just be thankful to Allah and pray 2 rakat Salatul Shukr, and then you have to give some sadaqah to the needy people. So inshallah, then Allah's blessings will fall upon you and you will be happy. And don't leave the zikr, this one, and continue as much as you can, 100 times a day or something. You can continue that one. So inshallah, Allah's blessings will fall upon you and you be good person, and you must look after the rights towards Allah, rights towards human beings also. So inshallah, Allah's blessings will fall upon you and you will have no problem in your life, and you will get inshallah Allah's blessings in this world and the world hereafter. Allah gave us tawfiq to complete whatever is the problem or difficulty or the main hurdle in our life for which we are too much worried. We have to forward our all these difficulties before Allah. So start after Salatul Asr to Salatul Maghrib. Read after Durood Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid, like this one. Then continue reading Ya Allah, Ya Rahmanu, Ya Rahimu, Ya Allah, Ya Rahmanu, Ya Rahimu up to the Maghrib time. Inshallah, before Maghrib, end with Durood to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Inshallah, continue until your aim and objective is achieved. So inshallah, Allah's blessings will fall upon you and you will get your goal, inshallah.